Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to record audio from Discord. Recording Discord audio can be useful for podcasts, interviews, or capturing conversations with friends. We will walk you through the process step by step, so it is easy to follow. Let's get started. On your Discord dashboard, when you are in a call, you can see the voice channel here. The green light means someone is speaking. So if we are on a call and want to record the conversation, we need to use OBS Studio. Here we have OBS Studio open. To add Discord audio to OBS Studio, we click the plus sign under Sources, then select Application Audio Capture and click OK. Next, we choose Discord as the application. Select Discord from the list and then click OK. As you can see, OBS is now capturing the Discord audio. Keep in mind that our own voice will not show activity here. Only audio from others will appear. But if we play a YouTube video as a test, you can see OBS is picking up the sound. So whenever someone is talking in Discord, OBS will record it. To start recording in OBS, just click Start Recording. If a prompt appears, click Yes. OBS is now recording and will continue until we stop it. Once we are done, just hit Stop Recording. The file will automatically save to our computer. To find the recording, we will go to our Videos folder. There it is, the recording we just made in OBS. It is saved and ready to use. That is how we record Discord audio using OBS Studio. Now we can capture conversations, podcasts, or streams whenever needed.